Hello, everybody. Welcome to the 10K Project. These are four types of investments that Black people should consider having in your investment portfolio. First thing I want to say is this is not investment advice, and I am not a financial advisor. So please check with your financial advisor with regards to these types of investments. When we begin to think about what we should be investing in, the first thing is we want to think about what's going to beat inflation. Inflation is a simple term for um, all sorts of goods, food, utilities, rent, everything goes up every single year. Right now, it goes up about 5%. Usually, it's 3 to 5% inflation. And especially if you have a job that does not give you an increase, a wage increase every year, you definitely want to have investments that are going to beat inflation. So, what are they? First is real estate and raw land. Now, you can be a real estate investor that is a landlord. You can also own tax liens. You can join a syndicate and be more of a passive investor and have a 6% or 8% or 10% preferred return. Or you can invest in raw land. There are people who are buying acres and growing hemp, growing poppies, which put in beer. All sorts of agriculture can be grown on raw land. Second thing, stocks and stock options. Yes, so you are able to invest in ETFs or mutual funds, which are baskets of stocks, or you can buy individual stocks. I personally am a fan of the app Stash. That's what I use. Some people use Robinhood, some people use TD Ameritrade and some of the big boys. But 11 o'clock at night, other people are shopping for Gucci. I am shopping for stocks. So, also, stock options are big as well. I'm personally venturing into that, but you may want to consider stock options. There are people that do very well with stock options, and there are people who teach others how to make money with stock options. Number three, cryptocurrency. And I put Bitcoin here in parentheses because some of you may not know what crypto is, but this is very, very speculative. So we want to make sure that you know that. However, we will say that crypto should be on your list of investments you should consider, specifically Bitcoin and potentially Ethereum as well. There are also other, what they call altcoins or alternative coins. I will give you a word of caution. Just because someone posts on Twitter that it is a good coin does not mean it is true. Just because your favorite celebrity says it doesn't mean it's true. A lot of people were getting in trouble for what they call pump and dump over the past few years, which meaning they pump up or advertise or really talk about a coin while they are in turn selling it, you're buying it, you're left holding the bag. So just be careful within the crypto space, do your research and really learn not only about the coins, but about the projects that are behind them if you decide to get into the altcoin space. And finally, number four, private businesses. So, yes, you can have a multi-thousand return on investment if you're actively have a side hustle or a private business, but you can also invest in other people's businesses. um, and you can be an angel investor and build a portfolio. And that is what the 10K Project does. We are the largest community of small dollar investors who actively fund Black owned businesses. So you can invest in a Black owned business for as little as $100. There was a McKinsey report that said when our businesses are properly funded, we make just as much money as any other ethnically founded business in there. So this is our chance to fund our own businesses, profit from our own innovation, create jobs in the community, and work together to build Black wealth. So you can find us at the 10kproject.com. We focus on circulating the Black dollar longer because we bring together entrepreneurs that need capital with investors that have $100 or more that if they hear of a company and they hear a presentation that they like, that they would be willing to fund or help fund that business. And then service professionals, these are CPAs, attorneys, digital marketers, project managers, et cetera. When these entrepreneurs are raising money, they're going to need help in their businesses. So you have an opportunity to join our expert directory and be a part of the 10K project. So again, we're here to circulate the Black dollar longer. We're here to build fiscally sound individuals and ultimately build wealth in our community and for our families. So we are at the10kproject.com. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.